Hi there, today I'm on the PV Symbaloo to show you how to access CultureGrams while you're at home. CultureGrams is located right here on the Pequea Valley Symbaloo. You can also send this direct link online.culturegrams.com to your learners or simply right click, copy that link, paste it into your Schoology or Dojo course. When learners click that link, when you click that link, you're going to be greeted by the screen you see here, and there is a username and password for home use. Username and password is a common one for all. It is P Valley Home, and the password is just C Grams. This just allows CultureGrams to kind of track who's using it and let you in. There's no individual accounts. It's the same for learners. P Valley Home is the username. C Grams is the password. So once you've done that, you can go ahead and search for content, switch editions, go ahead and grab any links that you want, and you can take these direct links in the URL bar and place those into your Schoology course, into your Drive agenda, into your class dojo for learner access to this information. They will use the same username, P Valley Home, and password C Grams to log in and then access that content. So that is something that you can share with your learners. And I will have an accompanying link that gives that username and password spelled appropriately so that you can share that with them. I hope that this tutorial was helpful, and as always, thanks for watching.